Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have OLIVIA, RODRIGO. Who else? Now, lately, we had many of her songs. So, Teenage Dream. Nice song. Very, slow and easy harmonies to play. We have 9 chords? Yeah, 9 chords. A lot of chords, but very easy to play and handle them. So, let's dive into this one. No need for any capo. Alright, so we'll look at the chords. We'll start with the C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, next chord is the A minor 7, so that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the F here, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord is the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We'll also have the E. So what you do there from the E minor, you just add the first on G. So that is first instead of open, and that gives you the E. Everything else is the same. We'll move on here with the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And then we have 2 more chords left here, 2 Fs. This one is a F minor. So it's very similar to the F we played before. We have a bar here on the first fret over all strings. And then we need to add third on A and third on D only. Alright, so that's the F minor. So from F here, you just take away the second G and give that to the bar finger there on the first. And there you have your F minor. And then the final chord is an F minor 6, actually. Like this. So what I do here, I place a bar on the first fret and I bar 3 strings from bottom and up. So the E, B, and G string. I bar these 3 strings, and then I add third on the D string and third on B. That's the F minor 6, I believe that's the correct name. So there you have the chord, guys. 9 chords: C, A minor 7, F, E minor, E, D minor, F minor, and F minor 6. Alright, believe that is 9 chords. Anyway, we'll just play straight downs here for the song. So no fancy string patterns, just downs. So let's take a look at the different parts, starting with the verse. So you're gonna go 2 C's, 2 A minor 7s, and 4 Fs. So C, C, A minor, F, 2, 3, 4. Again, C, 2, A minor, 2, and F, 2, 3, 4. Third time, C, A minor, and F. And fourth and final, A minor, F. So there you have one verse. You're gonna play the C2, A minor, F, and F4 for 4 rounds. Many 4s now. Anyway, 4 rounds of that chord progression, and then we'll move on to the chorus parts. Okay, so we're gonna play E minor 2, then E2, and F2, and C2. Repeat that. So E minor 2, E2, F2, and C2. So 2 rounds of that chord progression, and then you continue with D minor 4 and F minor 4. So D minor, A minor, D minor, D minor, F minor, F minor 4 times. And then you go back to D minor 4 times. And now you're gonna play the F minor 6, 1 down plus a pause, and then you play the F minor 1 down plus a pause. And that's the end of the chorus. Then you start again on the second verse. The second verse is played in the exact same way as the first one, so no differences there, and the same goes with the second chorus, played in the same way as we just played. Then at 2 minutes and 11 seconds into the song comes a long outro part or bridge part or whatever we're gonna call it. So now we're gonna play C2, then E minor 2, then F2 and F minor 2. That chord progression 2 times for the following chords, C, E minor, F, and F minor. You're gonna play that chord progression for 8 rounds. So 8 rounds of C2, E minor 2, F2, and F minor 2. 8 rounds of that, and then after these 8 rounds comes the final part, and that is actually a picking part. I'm gonna give it to you. I haven't practiced this at all. I just took it out right now recently. So I'm going to give you the notes, and it's up to you and even me to practice this if you want to have that in your song. So it goes like this. That is 1 round, okay? I need to get this a couple times, a couple minutes to get it fluently, but that is 1 round, and you're gonna play that till the very end. The notes are the following notes here. A little bit stretchy here on the E string, 8th fret there, then 10th on the D, and 12 on the E. And then you go back to 10D. So that is 1 round. Then the rest is a bit easier. The next one, I play a bar here on the 7th fret over all strings. And then I can play and add the 9th on D string. So that's the grip. Bar on 7th and added 9D. So then I play 7E, 9D, 7E, and back to 9D. Then I take the same grip and move it 2 frets away from your body and land with the bar finger on the 5th fret now, and then with the 7th fret D string added, and then I play. So that is 5th on E, 7 on D, 5th on E, and 7th on D. And then the final grip is the same grip there. I play now the bar on the 4th fret, bar all strings there, and then I add the 6 on D, and then we go 4E, 6D, 4E, and then I stretch out to get the 8B. And that ends 1 round, and then you slide back here. And this final grip here pretty much looks like the first one you started. So I use this grip here. I don't just restart everything. I slide up from this grip. That's what I believe I'm gonna do when I practice this, and go up here to the starting point again with the finger on the 8th frets. So. And then up again. And so on. All right, some practice there, and that ends Olivia Rodrigo's Teenage Dream. Great song, so give it a try, guys, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and thumb up this tutorial, and thank you for your support. Till next time, play tuned.